What's that in your hand, Joe?
Oh, this is the new Mobi Fold mouse. Check it out.
That is so cool. We have to film a video with it.
Let's go.
You've got options.
Hi, I'm Joe from Logitech, and welcome back to You've Got Options. Today, I have a really cool device to show you. Logitech's first foldable wireless mouse. This ultra-portable mouse gives you the power and confidence of seamless productivity wherever life goes. It's lightweight and durable, ideal for those who want to get more done in comfort while working on the go. With the Mobi Fold, you can experience up to 22% of reduced muscle strain compared to using your laptop's trackpad. Let's take a closer look at the features. Now, you might be wondering how to power it on. Well, that's the cool part. Simply unfold the mouse to power it on and fold it right back to power it off. Simple. For such a compact device, we have carefully designed it to include features we know are important to our users. From quiet clicks to enhanced precision with adaptive touch scroll, what's not to love? Not only is the device built to last, its quick charging capability is pretty incredible. You can get 22 hours of use from a 1-minute quick charge and a whole month of use from a full charge. Want to make the Mobi Fold your own to enhance your productivity while on the go? With the Logi Options Plus app, you can customize your 2 mouse buttons under the touch panel to quickly access your favorite apps or time-saving shortcuts with smart actions. For me, I've actually set the top button on the touch panel to activate the Google Gemini smart action. With a single click on my Mobi Fold, it gives me instant access to Google Gemini. For the other button on the touch panel, I've customized it to trigger my Google Suite Work Mode smart action. So picture this. While I'm getting started with my workday, a single click on my mouse opens Google Chrome, Google Drive, GChat, Google Calendar, and Gmail. And if, like me, you're always on the go and working across multiple devices, with a press of the Easy Switch button, I can seamlessly work across 3 devices. And that's the Mobi Fold. Folds small, works big, and feels just right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on You've Got Options.
You've got options.